Let's make Gnome's tea time. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make something I call Gnome's tea time. New to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. Gnome's tea time is a variation on the Cuban Old Fashioned, Cough, or the Rum Old Fashioned, Roth, if you'd rather, which my dogs would rather. And this one showcases the Earl Grey bitters from Gnome's Tavern. My buddy Gnome got into the bitters business, and these Earl Grey bitters are really good, and they work really good in this cocktail, so I named the cocktail after him. Link to his channel, he's a YouTuber as well. Link to his channel will be down below in the description, and as well as a link to his link tree, which will get you to his bitters, so that you may buy them for yourself. He's got some other varieties as well. Give them a try, let him know how much you love them. A note on the rum. This is a Cuban Old Fashioned, a Roth, so you kind of want to use a rum that you like. I'm using Pusser's because that's what I have on hand and it works really well in this drink, but I wouldn't call this the official rum of this drink. Use a rum that you like, and if you find one that works great, let me know what it is in the comments down below. This is a stirred drink, so we're going to stir it. I'm going to start with my honey syrup. I'm going to put 1/3 of an ounce of honey syrup in here. 1/3 of an ounce is 10 milliliters. 2 ounces of your rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And finally, your Gnome's Tavern Earl Grey bitters. I'm going to suggest 2 ounces. That's normally what I put in here, so that's 2 ounces. 2 dashes. 1, 2, and 1 for the Gnome. So 3. 2 to 3, whatever you like. We're going to add our ice and give it a stir. Now I'm going to grab my strainer in hand. I'm going to grab a big chunk of ice. I'll be right back with you. Here's my big chunk of ice. It is silicone skull molds from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. I love using these things. I don't love getting them out of the molds, but that's the price you pay for beauty. I'm going to put that in my glass, and then I'm going to strain my drink over that ice. Set this aside and garnish. Garnish is going to be a twist of orange. Express, wipe, and drop. And there you have it, the Gnome's tea time. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, which name do you prefer, Cuban Old Fashioned or Rum Old Fashioned? Do you agree with me or do you agree with my dogs? Let me know in the comment down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at that social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.